Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start an interactive broker's account. First, you'll need to decide which account type is right for you, whether it's an individual, joint, or retirement account. Next, gather your personal information like your social security number and employment details. Then, complete the online application form accurately. Finally, you'll fund your account to begin trading. It's a straightforward process designed for efficiency. The application process requires you to provide identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, for verification purposes. You'll also answer questions about your investment objectives and trading experience to ensure the platform is suitable for you. Be sure to carefully review all the terms and conditions before submitting your application. This step is crucial for compliance and to understand your responsibilities as an account holder. Once your application is approved, the next step is funding your account. You can link your bank account for convenient electronic transfers. Be aware of any minimum deposit requirements, which can vary depending on the account type. Interactive Brokers offers several funding methods, including wire transfers and ACH deposits, giving you flexibility. Choose the method that works best for you to get started with your investments. After funding, take some time to explore the Interactive Brokers trading platform. It offers a wide range of tools and features, so familiarize yourself with its functionalities. Don't forget to utilize their extensive educational resources to make informed trading decisions. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.